Understanding Delivery Note, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, delivery note. This term is commonly used in business and logistics. Understanding its meaning and usage can be very helpful, especially if you're involved in these fields. Let's dive in. A delivery note is a document that accompanies a shipment of goods. It lists details about the products being delivered, including their quantity and type. This note is used to confirm that the recipient has received the goods as per the order. It's an essential part of order fulfillment and inventory management. Every delivery note typically includes several key components. Sender's information, name and address of the company or person sending the goods. Recipient's information, name and address of the person or company receiving the goods. List of goods, detailed description of each item, including quantity, model, and sometimes weight. Date, the date when the goods are dispatched or delivered. Additional notes, any special instructions or remarks about the shipment. Delivery notes play a crucial role in business transactions. They serve as proof of delivery and help in tracking shipments, ensuring the goods have been sent and received as agreed. Inventory management, keeping track of stock levels and order fulfillment. Dispute resolution, providing evidence in case of discrepancies between the order and the delivery. Let's look at some practical examples. 1. Online shopping. When you order something online, a delivery note is often included in your package. 2. Business shipments. Companies use delivery notes when sending bulk orders to clients or other businesses. Understanding the term, delivery note, is essential for those involved in shipping, receiving, or managing inventory. We hope this video has been informative and helps you in your English language journey. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.